a Bosch mixer. So it's Melissa Hamilton from Ham It Up Productions. I'm sure you've heard of me. No? Ham It Up doesn't ring a bell? Okay, anyways, I really love my Bosch mixer and I thought, hey, I can make a commercial for you guys, you know, help those sales really go through the roof. Sales are already through the roof. Gotcha. Bosch claims that their mixer is the greatest mixer in the world. Literally, their website says world's greatest mixer. I'm going to give you an overview and tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and most importantly, is it worth the $400 that you paid for it? This Bosch mixer has an 800 watt motor. It's about 13 pounds, which is actually lighter than the KitchenAid, but it is wide. It takes up a lot of counter space. So I find that if I don't have the Bosch mixer sitting on my counter, I'm less likely to actually use it because it's just such a pain to get in and out of the cupboard. There's a few attachments that come with the Bosch mixer, such as the dough hooks, and then also I think a whisk attachment comes with it. But everything else you're gonna have to pay extra for. This is your Bosch mixing bowl. You gotta make sure you have this drive shaft in the middle. In the back here is where you come. This is how you can take it in and out. When you wash this bowl, you have to take this out. This is hand wash only. This bowl is dishwasher safe, so you can totally throw it in your dishwasher. But honestly, who has the space for this massive bowl in your dishwasher? So I have washed it by hand 100% of the time. Something that confused me about adding the attachments into the bowl is I was assuming when you, kind of like with the KitchenAid, when you put the dough hook or the whisk or the cookie paddles, whatever it is, into the bowl, it would make like a clicking sound to let you know that it was secure and in place. This doesn't do that. It just slides right on. And then I guess it's easy because you can just slide it right off when you're done. When you buy a Bosch mixer, it comes with a recipe book. So today we're going to be trying out one of the recipes. This recipe is a basic whole wheat bread. I've tried the small batch before of whole wheat bread, but I've never tried the large batch before. That's supposed to make 6 loaves of bread. This calls for 14 to 18 cups of whole wheat flour. This is not going to cut it. That's more like it. Okay, so to mix the ingredients in here, this is the dial that we have. It's just simple 1, 2, 3, 4, and M. What is M, you say? Oh, it's pulse. That's weird. Why isn't it a P? I don't know. I should probably plug it in. Once you've added all your ingredients into your Bosch mixer, you can go ahead and then crank it up to 2 and let it knead for, I think the directions say 6 to 8 minutes. So the Bosch mixer has suction cups on the bottom of the base, which keep it in place while it's mixing this huge amount of dough. Okay, I only have 4 loaf pans, so I'm gonna save the remainder dough for pizza tonight. This is so much dough. Oh my gosh. Jeepers. I guess I should have added more flour. So I'm always afraid of adding too much flour, and then I end up with this. I thought I had enough flour, but whatever, it'll still taste good. fingers off. What I love about a Bosch mixer is I think of it as a tool that I use in my kitchen to help me do things more efficiently. The Bosch mixer is massive, and so if you're not doing things in a high quantity, like you only need 1 to 2 loaves of bread, a dozen or 2 of cookies, then a Bosch mixer is not for you. So if you decide to get a Bosch mixer, you might be like me and never go back to your KitchenAid. Okay, that's it from me. Hope you at least learned something. And in the words of my friend,
treat yourself.
This is insane.